In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Wix website quickly and efficiently. This process is simple and doesn't require any advanced technical skills, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned users alike. You'll find it incredibly beneficial, as adding a video can really enhance the visual appeal and engagement of your site. First, start by logging into your Wix account. Once you've entered your credentials and successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your site's dashboard. From here, you're just a few steps away from bringing dynamic content to your site. Next, you'll want to open the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens. To do this, navigate to the specific page on your website where you want your video to appear. The Wix editor is intuitive and user-friendly, so you'll find it easy to move around and make adjustments as needed. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left side of the screen. Here, you should see an option labeled Add Elements. Click on this to reveal a host of features you can incorporate into your site, including the video element we're after. Within the Add Elements menu, find and click on Video and Music. This will open up various media options you can choose from. It's exciting to see how many different ways you can enhance your site with multimedia. For our purposes, we're focusing on video, so let's proceed. Now, you'll want to select Wix Video from the list of available options. Wix Video is a great tool because it allows you to add and customize videos in a way that best fits your site's aesthetic. Once selected, you'll see the video players at your disposal. Select the video player that suits your needs and simply drag it onto your page. You can position it where you want it to appear, ensuring it's perfectly placed to catch the eye of your visitors. The drag and drop feature is really convenient and flexible, letting you easily adjust to get the look just right. Finally, once you're satisfied with your video placement and the overall look of the page, it's time for a preview. Click on Preview to see how everything will appear to your site visitors. If everything looks good and you're happy with the setup, go ahead and click Publish. This will make your changes live and accessible to anyone visiting your site, and there you have it, a seamless way to add a video to your Wix site. This process not only livens up your website, but also provides a richer user experience. Make sure to revisit your site frequently, tweak as necessary, and keep your content fresh and engaging. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy showcasing your videos on your beautifully enhanced website.